Hi, my name's Catherine and welcome back to the CAD Spec YouTube channel. So, picture this, you've finished your CAD training or your CAM training. You now want to download your certificate, whether that be for your CV, your manager, or any other reason, but how do you do it? Hopefully in this video, I'll show you just how easy it is to do. I'm just going to go back to my original email that I will have been sent, and this has come from the no reply at autodesk.com. So I want to ignore all of this that I can see here, and I want to scroll down and find the bit that says how to retrieve my certificate. Nice and easy, step by step, Autodesk break this down for you. So I'm going to go on to the top one where I click sign in, and then this takes me to my Autodesk Education dashboard for a student. So here I can see I've got 3 courses here, and this is the one that I'm looking for, which is AutoCAD Essentials. So first off, before I get my certificate, I need to do the survey. So if I click on this button here that says not completed, it will take me to the survey. So I'm really quickly going to whiz through this. One step. Okay, and then I'm going to press complete. There we go. That is all done. I've completed my survey. It will actually allow me to download my certificate. So I just want to head over to the left-hand menu here. I want to click on the line that says finished course. Now I can see here, this is the one that I've just filled out the survey for. It's the correct date, the correct trainer, and then I can click download here under download certificate. That's all clicked, and then voila, we have our certificate of completion. Everything on there should be correct. It's saved as a PDF, so you can send it to employer, you can stick it on your LinkedIn, or you can print it out. We recommend no later than 7 working days after you've completed the course. If you haven't received an email to say what I've just shown you, or to download your certificate, or you're just not sure, please pick up the phone to us as soon as possible. If it's too late after the course, it will expire and we cannot download your certificate. So please be sure to get in touch with the CAD Spec team as soon as possible after the course, and we'll be able to help you out. So hopefully that showed you just how easy it is to download your certificate. If you are still having issues, please get in touch with our customer success team. But for now, see you next time.